how to replace the brake pads and rotors on your Chevy Camaro with the single piston caliper. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. With the car lifted up, supported by jack stands and a wheel off, the first thing we're going to do is remove the two 14mm bolts on the caliper. So I have the brake caliper sitting on this crate to make sure we're not pulling on the brake line. So now we can move on to removing the bracket. Remove the two 21mm bolts on the caliper bracket. With the two bracket bolts out, we can remove the bracket with the brake pads. And to remove the brake rotor, we need to remove this T30 screw. And now we can slide off the brake rotor. I'm going to use a wire brush to clean up the wheel hub. The next step is going to be to use one of the old brake pads. I'm going to use one of the old brake pads and a C-clamp to push the piston back into the caliper. I'm going to add a little grease to the slide pins while I have the bracket out. Now I'm going to clean up the bracket with a wire brush and put our new hardware in. I'm going to add a little caliper grease. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.